Hi, this is Jerry, Real Insurance Talk with Huff Insurance. What are the top items that a home insurance company looks at when figuring out your rates for home insurance? And I'm just going to cover the top 5 or 6 things that the homeowners insurance companies look at. First and foremost is the replacement value of your home. So the cost to rebuild your home. That's the coverage A. That's going to drive the major part of your rates. Is what's the value of the home that they're going to be insuring. And that's the replacement cost. It's not just the market value. We have another video and blog on replacement cost versus market value. Feel free to go out and look at that video and read the blog. Another thing is the age and condition of your home. If you got a brand new home, sometimes they'll give you a new construction discount. If you got an older home, sometimes it costs more because replacing an older home is going to cost more. The distance from the fire department is called the protection class. So, and what that means, if you're within 5 miles of a fire department, you're going to have a better rate than somebody who's, say, 12 miles from a fire department. So the farther away you get from the fire department, the higher the rate's going to be for the home insurance, because it's going to take them longer to get there to take care of an issue. Your coverage selections, definitely. Your coverage selections, did you select replacement costs on your contents as opposed to ACV value? Did you get the water backup of sewer and drains? Did you get the service line endorsement to cover the underground service lines leading into your house? So there's different coverages you can pick in order that will affect the overall rate of the homeowner insurance policy. Your deductible, again, just like with auto insurance, you've got a higher deductible and lower the premium. Got a lower deductible, it's going to raise the premium. What you got to watch out for is companies putting in the percentage deductible. Some companies put a straight percentage deductible in, and some companies put a percentage deductible for hail and wind, and some companies put a percentage deductible in for named storms. So just be careful. Look over your deductible. That way you know what it is. We have another video on that as well. So your roof age and your roof condition, that not only can affect the rates, it can affect the eligibility of the policy itself. So, and believe it or not, if you got a brand new roof put on, let your insurance company know. If you got a house it's a little older, but you just got a brand new roof, let us know. You can get a discount for having a new roof on your house, which can be a couple $100 a year, which, can help. And when was the updates of the systems, the electrical, the plumbing, HVAC, and so forth? So if it's older systems in there, it's going to probably cost a little more to insure than if it's newer systems. So those are some of the factors that home insurance companies look at. And again, location. They do rate on location, the zip codes, and not only how close you are to the fire department, but just the location of the home itself. And different zip codes have different rating territories, they call it. So if you have any questions about how things are done or how things are rated, please reach out to us. This is Jerry, a Real Insurance Talk with Huff Insurance. Thanks.